Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Yazid Muhammad Roslan and I'm from Group 2 in the assignment of SEEE 2133, Electronics Measurement and Instrumentation. Okay, in this video, I will show to you the question that we need to construct, the circuit given, and we need to construct in the Tinkercad. Okay. Shown here, we need based on the circuit that we construct in the Tinkercad, we need to find the current and as well as the voltage across resistor. Okay, in this part, in my part, I will show to you the how to find the current. Okay. Okay, so we open the Tinkercad. So I will go straight to the circuit. Okay. I will make it as short as possible. Okay. Okay. So we have the circuit that we have construct based on the question given, the circuit diagram. Okay. So this one the R1. The R1 is 3 ohm and R2 is 8 ohm and R3 6 ohm. And also the R4 is 4 ohm. Okay. So in this circuit, we have put the power supply for V1 9 volt and V2 is 3 volt. Okay, so we'll run the simulation first just to show that just want to ensure that we get the 9 volt and 3 volt. Okay, right. So I will move on to the current measurement. Okay, this one I will remove the wires. Okay, we remove the wires, and this one I just hide it. Okay. Okay. So we want to find the current, which is in this question is I1, I2, and I3. Okay. Then in the circuit is I1, I2, and I3. Okay. So we have 3 multimeters side by side. Okay. I will change the mode of measurement to ampere, which is we want to find the current. Okay. So this is how we want gonna find the current. Which is as you can see here, the blue wires, the blue jumper wires, I will remove it in order for I want to make the circuit being open, and then I will close it by from the multimeter from the ammeter itself. Okay. So how we gonna do it? Let's say we want to find the I1. Okay, the I1 is right here. Okay, so I just remove the blue wires, blue jumper wires, and I just connect it to the point. Okay, which is here, and also okay, so and also here. Okay, all right. So this one I color is black for negative. Okay, so we have the current. We have the current I1. And I just take note here. Current I1, and then current I2. And current I3. Alright. So okay, for the current I2, I will remove the blue jumper wires, and I will connect it here. Okay, let's see where the point is. Alright, so I will move here, and then I will connect it to here. Okay, this one I color it as red. and this one I will color it as black, and we'll connect it to here. Alright, so this one is black. Okay, so we have the circuit will flow up here and then go to the R2, and then this one for the current I2 will flow up to the this second emitter, and then flow it to the R3, right? So we have complete current I1 and I2 for emitter, and then last one is for the current I3. Okay, current I3, I connect it here, the ground, the V2 side. Okay, for the positive one, I will connect it here. Okay, so color it as red. So the blue wires I will remove it. Okay, so the current will flow right on the third emitter, and then right to the ground. Okay, so in this you can see I completed the connection of the emitter, and then I will run the simulation. Okay, so from there we can find we can see the current, which is for I1. For the current I1, let's make it small here. Okay. Okay, for this one I1, we get 1.67 ampere. For the current I2, just moving through the R3, we get the 1.17 ampere. And then the last one is current I3, which is on the R4, you get 3 ampere. Okay, so I think this is all. You can validate on Uzi's part for the theoretical calculation, and also Hairui will demonstrate on the voltage measurement part to find VR1, VR2, and VR3. Right. So that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Hairi. So I'm from class SEEH session 2021/2022 UTM space. So in this subject, SEE 2133 electronic instrument and measurement. So we have a group assignment. So for my group, we already get we are from group 2. So this is the task given to us. So we need to calculate and measure the voltage across resistor R1, R2 and R3. So we need to measure current and voltage across R1, R2 and R3 in this circuit. Okay, so we need to use a Tinkercad. So this is the method we are going to use for the measurement using the tools, software tools. So in this Tinkercad, I already provide the circuit. Actually, just want to everybody understand. So we are using here. So we use all component, and then we just select the component we are going to use. Like here, we put the breadboard, and then we insert the resistor. So we just drag resistor to this board, and then we design based on the circuit given for group 2. Okay, so in this chapter, in this session also, we will do the measurement. This one, calculate and measure. So we do the measurement using the Tinkercad. Okay, so after complete all the circuit, so for the voltage, basically we need to series the connection. Okay, so since here, so for the voltage 1 we can measure from here to here. Okay, and then for the voltage 2 we need to measure from here to this point. Okay, so and then for the voltage 3 we can measure from here, which is come here, go to here. Okay, so after we complete all this one, and then we put all the voltage for the V1 and V2, so we can start do the simulation, and then we will have the result here. So for the VR1 we will get 5 volt, and then for the voltage across resistor V2 we get 4 volt, and then we get voltage across resistor 3 also 7 volt. Okay, then for the current, my team member Mr. Yazid will explain on that. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Uzair bin Najasmin. Saya daripada kumpulan 2 dan saya akan menerangkan tentang theoretical calculation daripada soalan yang diberikan. So kalau kita tengok lita yang diberikan, lita ni tak boleh dipermudahkan. Jadi kita boleh guna sama ada nodal, mesh atau superposition untuk analisis lita. Tapi dalam kes ni saya guna nodal analysis sebab dia mudah. So kita letak node V1 dekat sini, V2 dekat sini dan V3 dekat sini. So kalau kita tengok, assuming dekat bawah ni ground, so kita dapat tahu yang V1 ni terus kita dapat 9 volt daripada V1 sama 9 volt, dan V3 ni kita directly dapat daripada V2 dekat sini, iaitu negatif 3 volt. So voltage yang paling mudah untuk dapat adalah voltage dekat R4. Jadi VR4 sama dengan 9 tolak, sebab V1 tolak V3, so 9 tolak negatif 3, kita akan dapat 12 volt. So lepas tu kita nak cari V2 yang V dekat tengah ni. So kita guna KCL. V1 tolak V2 bahagi R1 sama dengan V2 bahagi R2 tambah V2 tolak V3 bahagi R3. So kita guna maklumat yang diberikan daripada soalan. So V1 sama dengan 9 volt, sini V3 sama dengan negatif 3 volt, R1 sama dengan 3 ohm, R2 sama dengan 8 ohm, R3 sama dengan 6 ohm. So masukkan nilai apa semua, kita pemudahkan dan kita dapat yang V2 ialah 4 volt. So semua node voltage kita dah dapat. Jadi yang tinggal sekarang nak cari voltage dekat perintang R1, R2 dengan R3. So kalau kita tengok untuk R1, voltage dekat R1 ialah V1 tolak V2. Kita tahu V1 ialah 9 dan V2 ialah 4. So voltage dekat perintang 1 5 volt. Dan voltage dekat perintang 2 kita dapat tahu tadi yang V2 ialah 4. So sebab perintang dia terus ke ground, so VR2 ialah 4 volt. Dan lastly untuk VR3, sebab VR3 ialah V2 tolak V3, so 4 tolak negatif 3, kita dapat 7 volt. So semua voltan dekat perintang kita dah dapat. So sekarang tinggal untuk arus untuk R1, I1 ni, I2 dekat R3, I3 dekat R4. So I1 kita tahu yang guna daripada Ohm's law. So 5 volt bahagi 3 ohm, so kita dapat 1.67 am. I2 pula 7 volt bahagi 6 ohm, so dapat 1.167 am. Dan I3 12 volt bahagi 4 ohm, dapat 3 am. So kalau kita tengok practical values pula, daripada rajah ni kita dapat tahu yang semua voltage yang kita kira tadi ni untuk reference value semua sama dengan voltan yang diukur dekat sini. So semua tak ada beza. So kalau kita tengok untuk current pula, dia ada sedikit beza ni dekat 1.17 ni. Sebab beza dia sebab I2 ni 7/6 ni dia akan repeat. Semacam contohnya 1.16666667. So nak senang kita pendekkan. Jadi sebab instrumen ni dia ada limit dia. So dia tak semua yang dia boleh tunjuk nilai dia. Jadi dekat Tinkercad ni dia hanya boleh tunjuk 1.17 M. So dan kalau kita tengok dia punya error dia, kita dapati bahawa dia punya error ialah 0.257%.